And now for the fun part, picking your products. You can either paste links from AliExpress, you can use products you already have in Shopify, or you can let the AI pick products for you. I'm using AliExpress. So I'll just copy a product link, paste it here, and do that a few more times. Around 6 to 8 products is a good start for a niche store. When you're ready, click Generate Store. The AI is now building your store, and this takes a few minutes. And while it's working, CreateMyStore is bringing in your products, it's writing titles and descriptions, it's writing SEO stuff so people can find you on Google, it's figuring out good prices, it's designing everything, it's adding reviews, and creating product bundles and setting up sales tools. A lot is happening behind the scenes. So while we wait, why not look around Vitals? We'll get to see all of the 40 plus apps included within it, more than 40 theme sections you can use to customize how things look, and the AI Marketing Studio, where you can make product photos, you can create video ads, and write social media posts. Everything a growing business needs. These tools help you keep working on your store even after it's live. Okay, it's done. These are all of the things that CreateMyStore has done in the background. Now let's see the actual store. On the homepage, you have the banner the AI generated for us. We already have a way to get customers to buy with the Shop Now button. We have our navigation menu, we have some quick information, obviously our products, an About Us section, another call to action, and a footer. If I click on a product, on its page, we've got the following. We have a clear product name. We also have an easy to read description. Now compare this one to a regular AliExpress description. This looks way cleaner and way more professional. We also have shipping and returns information, a product bundle, we have a benefits section, we have reviews with pictures, FAQs about the product, and trust builders like payment icons. You probably thought that I was joking when I said that CreateMyStore by Vitals gives you everything you need to start selling today, right? Yeah, I really wasn't. Okay, now listen up because this part is really important. There are 2 main places where you will work to improve your store. If you want to quickly and easily change product names, descriptions, pictures, or prices, then you need to go to Shopify Products. This is where all your product data lives. If you want to change how sections are arranged, the colors, fonts, spacing, and layout, then you need to go to the Shopify Theme Editor. Do not try to edit product information in the theme editor. Keep these separate so you don't break anything. So that's the whole thing. You start with an idea, you pick a niche, you add some products, and CreateMyStore by Vitals builds the entire store for you. What used to take days now only takes a few minutes. And from here, you can edit your products, you can add more products, you can make your design look however you want, and keep improving by using all of the tools built in Vitals. And the best part, you're not starting from nothing. You're starting with a real store that already has a structure, that has a design, that has optimized product pages, and all the important features to make it successful. And that makes it way easier to learn, to improve, and to grow your store over time. Awesome, right?